Hey everyone, Dave Nord here, account manager at Dinsmore. I would love to introduce Dale Heuremann, our Director of Engineering and Quality here at Dinsmore. Today we're going to be talking about Imre's shoe project and some of the technologies we're using for this project and how far along we've come.
So we designed using the HP MJF technology, which is a rigid nylon, a lattice structure that glued onto the bottom of his shoe. It was also way cooler looking than the block, which Imre loved showing it off to all his friends. So then we delivered his first shoe Christmas 2 years ago. So he's grown a lot now. We learned a lot about which technology works better and stuff. And so the second round, we're actually looking at a different technology. We're looking at the carbon technology.
So we're going to be doing 3 different types of shoes that were actually sent to us by our friends over at Deckers. This round we're going to change the technology to Carbon's DLS technology, where we're using an elastomeric material called Elastomeric Polyurethane. Why did we choose Carbon's DLS technology, and what kind of changes are happening to the design?
Right. We chose their design because they have basically a production-ready elastomeric material that we can print in 3D. We found from the first one it was just too rigid, didn't have enough play and give for an active 4-year-old as he was running around, jumping around, things like this.
Well, we're really excited to see what the outcome is here. Stay tuned.